Juliana Gael. Hello, nobody. Oh my God. Bakit gano'n? Hindi pa rin ako gumagaling. Bye, see you next. Baka may pizza na. Sorry guys, I don't have any energy right now because I'm not feeling well. It's here 2 a.m. here. Oh, it's early. It's early there. Hello, Sanji. I'm on the other side of the planet. I wish I could go there too. I wanna go there too. I like traveling. Hi, beautiful. Hello, yours truly. Hello po. Shall we po sa inyong lahat? Hello, Sasuke. Wait. What did you just say? Do you have a cold? Yes. I have a fever. Hello, GV. Givy? It's not Givy or GV. Shall we po? Aray ko. Is it hot today? No. It's not hot in here. It's rainy here. It's rainy here. Shall we po? I think, yung samahan niyo akong kumain, guys. Oh, wow. It's winter there. Oh my God. I think I'm going to eat because my tummy is empty. Parang si Rihanna, mabari pero hasla. Oh my God, ba't parang hindi aabutin yung percent ng phone ko ng 1 hour? Oh my God. Hello everyone. Kain. Hello Tatsuya. Shall we? Don't you like... What did you just say? Don't you like to have your hair loose? What do you mean? Hello Bongalish. Wait, I think may nagbigay. Wait a minute. Shall we po?